In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. If you are organizing projects, planning events, or tracking tasks that last more than one day, using a date range in Notion can make your database much more useful. Instead of assigning just a single date to a page, you can set both a start date and an end date, which helps you clearly see the full time span of each item. To begin, open the Notion database where you want to manage your dates. This can be a table view, a list view, or another database format you are already working with. Inside that database, look across your columns and click the plus sign at the end. This allows you to add a new property. From the list of property types, choose Date. Adding a date property gives each page in your database a place where you can assign time-related information. And this is the key to creating entries that cover multiple dates. Once the date property has been added, go to an empty cell in that new column for the page you want to update. Click into the cell, and a calendar pop-up will appear. At first, you may only see the option to select a single date. But Notion also lets you turn this into a date range. In that calendar window, enable the end date option. After you switch that on, you'll be able to choose both a start date and a finish date for that page. This is especially helpful for anything that unfolds over several days, such as deadlines, content schedules, travel plans, or project phases. After setting the range, the page now contains multiple dates in one clean property. To make that information easier to understand visually, change your database to a timeline view or a calendar view. These layouts allow you to see how your pages are spread out over time. In a timeline view, the full span between the start and end date becomes much easier to track, especially if you are managing overlapping tasks. In a calendar view, your entries are placed directly onto the dates you selected, helping you spot scheduling patterns at a glance. This simple setup can make your Notion workspace feel much more organized and easier to manage, especially when you are working with items that begin and end on the same day. Thanks for watching.